cloudBRAT, what is it? In 2 minutes. Organize your thoughts in a cloud. A virtual file cabinet. Anything can be organized. Projects, thoughts, stuff you want to remember. Jokes, cat pictures, vacation notes, politics, writing. Let's create a cloud. But first, you gotta log in. Go to cloudBRAT.com and log on in. Then you can create a new cloud. Add a title, a description, and maybe even a thumbnail. Well, let's see now. Uploading. There it is, our new cloud. Add pages and text. Click on that new cloud you just created. First, I'll add some pages. Let's see, let's have one called Airlines, another one called Tokyo, and another one called Kyoto, and one more called Food. Cool! Let's add a little text right on the page. It's simple as that. And a link. There we go. Oh yeah. Bam, all done. Images, videos, and more. I'm gonna move these pages around. Look how easy it is. Just move them here, move them there. All right, let's add a picture. Grab a picture, drop it in, save, boom. All done. Look at that. What should we do next? All right, I'm gonna add a gallery. How about these castles? Uploading. There it is. They pop up in the screen. Wow, that's cool. I'm gonna add a YouTube video. There it is. Simple as that. The text is a little big. I'll go to the styling page. Make the text a little smaller. Let's take a look. Yep, the text is smaller. I want to allow a friend to view my cloud. If I select public, anybody can view it. I'll select private and then select the friend down here. There she is. Bam! Now she can view my cloud. cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com